Hi guys, today we are going to start with Microsoft Office 2019. So this is the version which I am going to use, Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with a very basic thing, that is how we can open Word. There are three ways you can do it. One is right click on your desktop, just go to new and go to docx document. If you just click here, icon will appear on your desktop screen. Double click it and you can open Word. Another way you can do is you can go here to the search box that's next to your start button, or if you have a search box in your start button, just press the start button and then your search box and go and write WORD, and here you can find Word. Just click on it and the Word will open it. Okay, here in this case it is asking you what kind of document you are going to work on, so you can say blank, or if it is recent one you can just go to the recent one. So usually we play select blank. Next way is if Word is available on your taskbar. So in that case, you need to pin, the user need to pin that Word to the taskbar. So it is available like this. So you can, wherever you want, you can just click and it will. So these are the three main ways you can open Word in your computer. Okay, I'll start with file tab. So first of all, whenever we try to open Word, we'll find this. Okay, so this is what we can see, in which we can see a recent files. Recent we can use whenever we have forgotten the name of the file. Suppose I was working on one of the document and I in case forget the name of that document. Okay, so next day I don't remember the name, even I don't know where I have stored it. So the best way you can do is you can come here home and you can find a recent document. If you don't know the name, you have to check this, or else you can just make a guesses on the basis of the time. See here, it is showing you the times. On the basis of the time, you can make a guess and you can find your document. So this is the way you can find a document in case if you have forgotten the name or the location. Next is a new document. How to get a new document? Okay, so the option is here. If you have a shortcut for this, the shortcut is for this is CTRL plus N. CTRL plus N is the shortcut to open a new document. So this is a shortcut we're gonna use to open a new document. So you can try it. If you press Control N, you'll get a new document. See here, we got a new document. Document number 5. If you want a new document, just press Control N and we got a new document like document 6. Next we'll move to info. Info is will give you the information on that document, like when, what was the size, how many pages were used, words were used, and all this information will be available here in. Okay, so suppose we take an example of protecting a document. So for that, what we need to do is, suppose this is my document, so I'll write some random contents in it. Suppose this is my document. I want to encrypt this document with the help of a password. So how I can do is, I can go to File, then I can go here to Info and Protect Document, and I'll go with Encrypt with Password. I'll write the password, whatever password I want to keep. For this document, I'll write it 1, 2, 3. This time I'm giving 1, 2, 3. Again, it will ask you to re-enter the password. So again, the password is 1, 2, 3, and I'll say OK. See, you can see it is protect document. Now this have changed. A password is required to open this document. It is showing you the password is required to open a document. Now what you need to do is you need to save this. You can go to save as. I usually prefer to save everything on the desktop so you can easily find it out. And I'll write the name as alpha 5 and I'll save it. Okay, so alpha 5 is saved. So if I close this and I go and find my file, so here I can find it, alpha 5. I can open this It is asking me the password. So if I enter the password, correct password, 1 2 3, it will open up. So this time I won't be I'm not going to enter the right password. I'll enter a wrong password intentionally. 1147 for example. Let's say okay. See, this won't open up. The password is incorrect. Word cannot open a document. So this is how you need to, the one who knows the right password can access this document. So one who knows the correct password or enters the correct password can able to view this file. So this is a very important thing which we can find in info, that is protect document. Okay, next we can see the information about the file, like for example when it was being created, how many pages are there in the document, how many words are used, the size of the file, whether it is printed or not, when it was modified, who was the author who modified this or created this. So this is what is the information being provided in this option, info. Okay, next we can see is save option. So everybody knows how we can save it, but the next and the shortcut for this is CTRL plus S is a shortcut we can use to save a document. See, this is a shortcut we can use. Suppose so, this is CTRL plus S is the shortcut we going to use to save a document. Suppose this is my document. Okay, I'll take a new document. So I have a document 1. Here I'll write something randomly and I want to save it. So I'll just press Control and S. So this will come up. So I usually save it on the desktop. If you have an older version, this won't come up. Only this window will pop up. You can go to desktop. Usually I save it on desktop and I'll write whatever name I want. This time I'll save it with the name Alpha 9. And I'll save it. To go on the desktop, you can find your file with the name Alpha 9. So where is Alpha 9? Here it is. So Alpha 9 is here. You can open this, and this is your document. Okay, next after save is a print. So if you want to print a document, simply press Control plus P. So Control plus P is the shortcut to print a document. The shortcut is Control plus P is a shortcut you can use to print a document. So if you press Control plus P, this is how it looks. If the printer is attached to your computer, you can simply press print and it will start printing. There are various settings you can do for printing. Next is how do you close this document or this window. So the shortcut for closing it is Alt plus F4. Alt plus F4. If you press Alt plus F4, it will close this document. So it is whenever you close the Word document, it will ask you whether you want to save it or if you don't want to save it. So this time I won't save it. I'll say don't save. Okay, one more document is here, so I can press Control Alt F4 and I'll say don't save it. So it won't save the document. Hi, this is Amir from Alpha Computer Education. We have commenced with online lectures for Python, C++, and MS Office 2019. Interested candidates can call us on 99300900317 or 809-715-9385. You can write us on alphacomp7@gmail.com. To know our reviews about our coaching classes, you can see the description below. I have added a link below where you can check our reviews and our address too. Thank you.